आज के डेट में कितना कमा लेते हो?
in 6 figures only.
Beyond a crore.
Nobody should go for a salary in medical. You will land up with something not acceptable.
In the past 2 years, IT placements have dropped from 90% to 80%. Non-IITs 50 to 70%. Do you see these careers dying over the years?
Mine
Should-
never. Doctors
Yeah,
never.
yeah.
C is not going anywhere.
Today, when I go to a really good hospital, messaging that I see flowing around is a problem in engineering that's been solved for decades. How is that message not flowing through?
Actually, I want to interrupt. People in tech, they are not helping the healthcare because in healthcare the money is not much.
16 years old, they're earning so much from content creation. Why should they spend so many years studying being an engineer, yeah, studying being a CA?
What's wrong about that? I have seen people who have been trying for IS, IPS 5 years, 6 years. Same goes for the NEET. Why are you going for 5 years Yojana? If you are not getting 1, 2, 3 years, just drop it over there.
Now, this is a very controversial question. The last 5-6 years, a lot of doctors are being charged of corruption. They are just ready to charge more. Do you think it's right?
एक कंपनी की दवाई से कफ सिरप से बच्चा मरा है, उस पे डॉक्टर को सस्पेंड कर दिया गया। डॉक्टर ने लिखा है बस, बना तो कोई कंपनी रही है ना।
What is that one field in doctors and people who are in CA बहुत ज्यादा पे किया जाता है?
Now you can go towards M&A, individual taxation, auditing, management consulting, anywhere.
अर्ली एज में अगर अर्न करना है जी not.
Can I add something about engineering? If you're looking for the P, AI is not the hotspot for you. The reason being,
What do you think is the perfect career to be in 2025? I'll tell you a couple of stats that's there in India right now. In 2024, 24 lakh students appeared in NEET, 15 lakh registered for JEE, and every year 11 lakh commerce grads and 8.5 lakhs engineering grads are produced in India. The reason that I'm saying all of this is by the end of this podcast, our agenda is कि कोई भी एक 18 साल या 22 साल या 16 साल या 14 साल का बच्चा who is planning his or her future based on the kind of stereotypical, I'll just say it out like that, fields या mainstream fields that there are in the Indian market, उसे choose करने में आसानी हो, help हो, and while doing that, he or she has a perfect picture of how everything will pan out over a time frame of, let's say, 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, or where he or she can expect to be. Today we have CA Meenal with us. She's a CA turned content creator. We have Priya. She's a doctor turned entrepreneur now. She has her own clinic. And we have Shiv. He's a software architect and now also aiming to build his own company.
hopefully someday.
Hopefully someday.
Yeah.
All right. He comes from a brand called Nutanix, and he's a software architect there. Given the kind of spaces that you come from, it'll be very insightful, I feel, कि कोई भी इस content या इस वीडियो को देख रहा है उसे समझ आएगा कि किस फील्ड को चूज करना चाहिए, स्पेशली इन 2025 विथ ऑल द न्यू थिंग्स कमिंग अप. आज के डेट में कितना कमा लेते हो? नाउ while asking that, I'll give you a reasoning to why I'm asking it. किसी भी यंगस्टर को स्पेसिफिकली एक पाथ ट्रैवल करने के पहले, स्पेशली द जेनजी फोक्स एंड द I think the Gen Alpha folks, yeah, Gen Beta folks, I don't
Gen
know what's
Beta.
the next generation.
Beta, I
called.
think.
Beta hai? Okay. They want to understand if eventually चीजें सही से pan out होंगी कि नहीं, and by सही they also consider money, right? So they want to understand कि people who are killing it in their fields are at what stature and if that is something that they aspire to be, right? Starting with Meenal.
So I am first, like I said, I'm a chartered accountant. I've
Hmm.
worked before this for like 6.5 years or so. Like if you include my articleship also, that's another question. So the amount of money that I was making then, I am able to make the same amount of money now in an year of content creation.
Hmm.
Yes, making money right now is much more tougher, but yeah, the fields are now competitive. I feel it's more dependent upon the kind of skills you have, how much you want to keep up yourself, updated, upgraded, like in every sense. So there is no restriction that a CA can make more and a content creator cannot make more.
Hmm.
So I'll rather put it like that, that either of the field that you're choosing, this is what I feel, you can make good amount of money. There is no restriction if आपको आप अपनी स्किल्स को पॉलिश कर रहे हो, you have that hunger to learn more, improve yourself. Even like I'll put it for someone as simple as an editor, right? An editor can make so much money, like at this moment, even in content creation, you end up paying like 600 rupees per edit. It can go up to any level, but like that's like one of the entry points.
Hmm.
And you can have as many clients, you can actually start your own editing company. So like I said, like there's no limits. The sky is your limit, rather, I will say, put it like that.
Got it. But give us a figure, let's say in terms of is it a six-figure thing? Is it a seven-figure thing?
So at this moment, it's somewhere
Give me a division between content creation and chartered accountancy.
so like I said, see,
Hmm.
when I left, I was like at a managerial level when I left,
Mm-hmm.
almost.
Hmm.
I'll put it like that. I was, at that point, I was making somewhere around, I was in six figures only. So
Okay.
that's the six figures I'm making right now also.
How does that pan out in engineering?
I think for me, I have never tracked exactly how much I earn.
Hmm.
What's more important is, am I following my passion in some sense?
Hmm.
And do I have enough money to not worry about it too much so that I can concentrate on what I do? And then you save wisely. That's something that I have acquired in the last 2 3 years. Before that, I think I didn't manage my money properly. So that's what I think is a good guideline. You do something that you're really passionate about, you enjoy doing. Hopefully, you're also successful sooner than later in
Hmm.
doing that.
Hmm.
And then I think money is a byproduct. You will get enough. Although I think it's better. I heard somewhere in an interview Sarukh Khan say that you say that money is not important once you have a certain amount of money. So somehow
Right.
get there. I also think that having a certain amount of money per month or per year or whatever unit of time you take is not as important as how much you can save out of it, how wisely can you invest. So it's more about that over a longer period of time than how much you could make, because I make more now, I could end up making quite less tomorrow.
How long have you been in the corporate space?
13 years now.
13 years now.
Right.
What is a figure that someone can expect being इतने वक्त तक एक corporate space में काम करते हुए as an engineer?
It's a range actually.
Give me the
So
range.
if you look at what people make for
Hmm.
an 18-year-old, when they start,
Hmm.
they could on the lower end make 3 to 5 lakhs per annum,
Okay.
or on the higher end when they start in a really good space they could be making around 25 to 40 lakhs also. Now if you kept working really hard, you were in the right place at the right time, you got luckier a few times, then you could be making beyond a crore
Hmm.
in INR. And 7 years, 10 years, 12 years down the line, if you had a average career, you didn't choose wisely what you want to do, then you could be around 20, 30 lakhs per annum as well. So there's a huge
Hmm.
range. And I have been on both the sides where I
Hmm.
have really planned what I want to do, and I have those periods in life where I have just done what I loved. And I think the second is a better approach. You end up making more money in the longer period of time. In the shorter period, you might feel like there is a dip, this is not valuable. But in the longer period of time, I really believe that once you work on something passionately over a period of time, you become really good at it. And if you are really, really good at something,
You'll
something
get
that,
paid more
yes, you
eventually.
get paid more eventually.
Hmm. Fair.
Yeah.
Fair.
Not always true, but by and large. Yeah. You can
Poss-
work on something very, very long time and still stay very poor.
Possibly in engineering, it works that way.
I think anywhere, I don't know, you could add or you could add. Yeah.
He is passing the question to me.
No. I think you can work very long, very hard, and you can
Hmm.
stay poor. Is
Yes,
doable.
yes. It's
Is
very true for
doable.
doctors.
Yes.
It can
Mm-hmm.
go
How
true.
does that pan out in doctrine?
In doctors, actually, we start with MBBS, and with the internship, we some states they are giving, some states they are not giving.
Hmm.
We started with 2,000 rupees, which increased to 6,000 rupees during internship.
Hmm.
Some of the states they are not giving till now. Some of the states like Delhi they are giving some good amount. I don't know right now, but they are giving to the interns. And
Hmm.
after that, in PG also the money is less. Again, depending on the state, it's very variable.
Hmm.
So it depends. Like you are given, not given. If you are doing from the private, you are not been given anything during the PG time also, or very less maybe.
Hmm.
And then comes to the real part. So it is very variable again with the degrees. Either you are MBBS, general practitioner, or you are having radiology, medicine. Everything is variable. Orthopedics. So most of the fields, they are having less amount initial phase may,
Hmm.
and as you grow, they grow. So
Got it.
there is again sky is the limit only. So we grow, वैसा होता है.
क्या
So it
आप मुझे
depends on the
एक
phase.
एक डिफरेंस बता सकते हो कि अगर कोई डॉक्टर है,
Hmm.
वो किसी ब्रांड के लिए लेट्स से काम कर रहे हैं, राइट,
Hmm.
वर्किंग फॉर अ सर्टेन हॉस्पिटल इन दैट वे,
Okay.
और उनका एक पर्सनल क्लिनिक है,
Okay.
तो हाउ डज दैट डिफरेंस कम इन, या
Uh,
कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है इन द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट ही और शी अर्न्स?
are you talking about a beginner or just settled practitioner?
गिव मी अ सेटल्ड प्रैक्टिशनर.
They earn from both the sides.
ओके.
Okay. Again, depending on the profession you are in.
हम्म.
Like if you are gynec, you earn a lot.
हम्म.
Even you are in hospital or you are outside. Again, it
हम्म.
comes with age. Radiologists they earn early. Okay.
कैन यू डिफाइन अ लॉट, like what is a lot?
A lot can go to 1 CR again per year,
Hmm.
more
Right.
than 1 CR.
Hmm.
So what I have heard is like they can cross even 5 CR, up to 10 CR also
Hmm.
per year. So if they are good at their job.
Hmm.
So this is the range, and a person can even earn like 12 lakhs per year. So even like initially in the radiology in Bangalore, Bangalore is the least paid city, Bangalore and Chennai
Mhm.
maybe. So here we earn only like I think my initial was 1.8 per month, so it goes very less. And if you go to north side to anywhere in Delhi also, it's a double or triple salary. And
Oh.
you go little bit periphery, the initial salary is only 5 6 lakhs per month.
Hmm.
So again in radiology state wise, and where you are there, you are working in a hospital situation or a clinic kind of thing, so it's totally variable. The salary of the doctor is totally variable. So nobody should go for a salary in like a field like medical. It's not at all like you will land up with something which is not acceptable. So salary is not for medical. You will earn maybe in 40s. Early earning is not the thing
Hmm.
which an engineer could do. Content creator, graphic designer, as I told, they are earning much better than an intern. So at the same age. So it's very tough journey throughout. So once anybody is entering the medical field, they should be knowing. Okay, money is not the game. It's about your how empathetic you are, how caring you are, and it's going to be a long run, long
Hmm.
journey.
Hmm.
And you want that journey or not? That's the basic question. So it goes like this. It's totally variable salary.
मैं इस सिलेक्शन वाले पार्ट पे I'll come back because I
Hmm.
have a couple of questions for that.
Yeah.
But before going there, um, in the past 2 years itself, IT placements have dropped from I think 90% to 80%
Mhm.
now. Non-IITs maybe even I think 50 to 70% का hiring drop है. Not to talk about NEET and CA, right? I know a lot of people who even after clearing their exams are not getting placed, right? Yeah, not getting good colleges because the competition is so high. Do you see these careers dying over the years, especially engineering? Because there is a lot of demand and a lot of बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो इसके पीछे भागते हैं
Mhm.
basically,
Mhm.
right? Also because of parents, society, and everything. Do you see these careers dying, let's say, over the span of next 5 years, 10 years?
Okay.
Mine
Should
never.
I?
Doctors
Yeah.
never.
Yeah. No. No.
Doctors, of course, never.
Doctors.
Never.
We'll always need them to survive. But
Mm.
what about CA and engineering?
Okay.
CA is also not going anywhere,
Hmm.
Mm.
no matter what happens, how many technologies that come in.
Hmm.
Nonetheless, yes, like in the coming times, the chartered accountants also need to get a little bit more tech savvy. That's true. Like there are so many automation tools, N8N for that matter. You can just, have that more in your like workspaces to make you more efficient, and every to just simply make you more efficient with work. That's true. Everybody needs to get adapted to the technology, but I don't feel CA as a field is going anywhere now. The demand and the liking aspiration towards it, I think that depends from student to student, what they're liking more or not. But yes, as a career, this is like not going anywhere. I'll tell you simply put why. Because I personally feel CA is a very, once you clear CA, it's a very secure career option. Because I still remember one of my teachers telling me in the GMCS training at that time, to the entire class, कि a CA never sleeps hungry. And that's true. You are making money the moment you start the course, like in your articleship. That's what I mean when I say you start the course. And you get a job right after you clear your exams. Now the duration in which you get the job or not, that can differ from person to person based on the experience, etc. But I know, like, if you are working as a CA, you will continue making money, and now after that it depends entirely on your skills, how much you make, where you go. But I'm like too much pro for doing CA if somebody wants to, because it's genuinely a very secure career. And like I said, like my parents said, beta CA kar lo fir kuch bhi karna. Mere liye to it's a very safety cushion. And like, CA is actually the reason why where I am.
Hmm.
Whatever I am able to do in my life today, it's because of CA. It has held so many doors for me, so many doors for me, that I am not sure about other career options, because definitely I've not explored them. But yes, I definitely feel it's my degree that has actually held so many doors that were probably not supposed to be open for me, you know? So, yeah, no, CA is not going anywhere.
I think engineering is not going anywhere either. I'll tell you why. I think a lot of loss in jobs that you see today is devoted to AI.
Hmm.
If you look around the different fields, who are the people closest to AI? The engineers. They are the ones building the AI by and large. What happens in a few years? So to me, this is a short term drop. Eventually, what is going to happen is a lot more fields are going to embrace tech. Like Minal talked about CAs being tech savvy, right?
Yeah.
I still think when I look at CAs, when I look at lawyers, or when I visit a hospital, as an engineer who has worked for 13 years, automating things, making
It's
tools
very
around making
important,
people
very
efficient,
important.
more and more professions are going to use tech a lot more. And AI is eventually going to make all of this possible. I'll
Hmm.
give you a very
True.
pinpoint example, right? Today, when I go to a hospital, a really good hospital in Bangalore, the messaging that I see flowing around, right, is a problem in engineering that's been solved for decades, right? But when I go to a hospital, I took my dad to a really popular hospital, a big hospital chain, and there I was very surprised. The doctor advised my dad, who's admitted for 2 days, to eat a certain thing, right? Then there is a doctor who comes on to check, another doctor on duty or something. I don't know the exact term. And this lady came and advised something else. But in the same hospital, you have a canteen who delivers absolutely something else. How is that message not flowing through? Because there's not enough application of tech. It's a very easy problem in engineering
Hmm.
to flow through these messages, right? When you have a WhatsApp today where you can do anything and everything, can I make something absolutely suited to this in the same hospital on the same day? Why does a claim health, if I make an insurance claim, it goes through the hoops? My dad has gone, it's like the doctor has asked him to sort of get discharged now. We are paying the bills. I have a really sort of good insurance, but the discharge still takes hours. If you use take the right way, it should ideally happen in seconds or even minutes, at least for a few people. Given all our digital footprint clearly tells you whether I am going to be putting up a fraudulent claim, if I am attached with a particular insurance, particular area, particular hospital, what are the chances of me making a fraudulent claim? What do you actually want to do? You just have not put tech there,
No,
so
no,
humans
no.
are doing a lot of
Actually,
it.
I
Yeah.
want to interrupt
Yes,
over
please.
here. The
Yes.
people in tech, they are not helping the healthcare. They are not going towards the healthcare, because in healthcare the money is not much.
Hmm.
If you see, they are going towards the other field. They are going to Google. They are going to this and that. The bigger companies. So they are not going
Hmm.
to the healthcare sector
Right.
only. If you see how many of your friends are going to, I have asked few of them, come join the healthcare sector. Everybody refused. because they don't see any future in this. There's limitation. Automation has limitation.
Correct. Correct.
This and all has
Mhm.
limitation. Why don't you come up and just give some solution to the
Yes.
healthcare
Yes.
sector? So
Yes.
this is the
Yeah.
one way where healthcare people, this tech people, they should help actually, and they should build something for the health, matlab this thing. So since I've started this whatever clinic is there since
Hmm.
3 months, so I have been dragging like, okay, this is there, this is my problem, because we don't know that problem. Okay, so who will solve this? The techie
Yes.
people, they are not jumping into the healthcare.
Yes.
They are
Yes.
going towards the bigger
Yes. Yes.
source, bigger
Yes.
money, bigger
Correct.
thing.
Correct. You
So
actually
they have to come.
brought out a very interesting insight, right?
Hmm.
In my previous opinion, I said it is going to plateau. Is where you are saying people are going today. That's going to plateau a bit, right? A
Hmm.
lot of engineers are going to switch towards these professions where tech is not penetrated so well. So 10 years ago, right?
Still, they are not, because I
I'll give
have
an
been
example.
surrounded
I
by
agree.
engineers. So I
That's
know
where the
it.
opportunity is. And I'll
Uh,
tell you a twofold answer, right?
yeah.
10 years ago,
Uh,
in restaurant space, food and all, tech was very nascent. You look at the delivery brands or eating out, booking a table, all of that has seen a lot of penetration from tech,
mm.
right? Health is one such sector where I see a few companies already doing some work. What happens is there's an industry which has been operating in a certain way for a very long point of time. That is one aspect of it. So it's not easy. The other is the technology that you have today has gotten a huge uptick with what AI can do now. So there is a lot more that an engineer can do now to solve your problem compared to what they could do before AI was as accessible. So technology is progressing. At the same time, the common places where engineers find more money is going to plateau a bit, and then they are going to look for opportunities elsewhere which are
When?
unexplored fields.
The question
When
is
is the question?
when. When is the
When
question? Somebody has to come.
I know a
Hmm.
few people who are working very hard and looking for some medical professionals to help them define their problem
Yes,
to make
please
their startup.
send
Yes,
to us.
absolutely.
Please.
I'll connect you with them.
Mm.
While we are on the topic of career selection and all those things, क्यों ना कोई बच्चा ऐसा करे कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन को ही एज अ करियर पाथ चूज करे? व्हाई शुड दे स्पेंड सो मेनी
Mm.
इयर्स
True.
स्टडिंग
Mm.
बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, स्टडिंग बीइंग एन इंजीनियर या स्टडिंग बीइंग अ सीए, earn a lot of money? Because we see 16 years old जो बच्चे हैं आज के डेट पे, 14 साल के भी इवन बच्चे हैं, they are earning so much from content creation. Why not take a path जहां वो बहुत सारा पैसा कमाते हैं, use that to gain a lot of assets, invest a lot of money, and chill for the rest of their lives?
What's wrong about that?
Exactly. Then
That's
why choose a career like being a CA?
so the entire conversation started with the fact that which is a better career option, and we
Hmm.
all said it's not one size that fits all. Again, the same
Hmm.
thing. If content creation is something that gives you a kick, right, do it. But again, there's one thing to remember: why traditional fields are more traditional or more propagated is because of the security that comes with it.
Hmm.
At least after 5 years of me spending my time studying CA, again, see, I am just taking a standard measure that you clear everything in first attempt, and every after that you know that you will make some money, right? There is that surety, because of which probably there is your parents are pushing you, the society is pushing you, and that mindset, that you will have a set career. Or maybe if you go to an engineering college, you know that if not, you might not be making a 10 lakh 12 lakh package, but yeah, after studying engineering, you'll get a decent job. Or being after a doctor, at least you'll have a job somewhere else. It's the sense of security. But with these non-traditional career options, the security comes over years. It's not
Hmm.
immediate. Per se, for instance, I am a content creator right now. It's been an year, but still there is no security, right? And the only cushion for me right now is the degree that I have, right, for me to go back to. So definitely, if somebody is that confident, this is where I want to make my career in, go ahead, right?
Mhm.
Why just content creation? Be an actor, be a cricketer, be anything that you want to be. But then again, that said, with the traditional fields, when we talk about them, they are more propagated majorly because एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी इज देयर, आप कहीं पे
Hmm.
टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो आपको एक रिटर्न मिलेगा फॉर सी इवन इन सीए। अगर आपका नहीं भी क्लियर होता है, आप एक पॉइंट पे डिसाइड करते हो आई नीड टू ड्रॉप आउट, still you will find a job as a half CA. That's the beauty of it, because you've learned a skill over the years. You have learned accounting, taxation, or valuation, or whatever you have learned during your articleship or not. There's a sense of security. Okay,
Yeah.
so there's no problem with going to non-traditional fields, always up for it, but yes, you should know there are risks to it. I've been doing it for an year, and who says being an entrepreneur is easy? Is
Hmm.
it like, are you sure you, if you are making a product, you will sell like 1,000, 2,000 units per month? I don't mean to sound pessimistic. I'm just saying every career has a ladder. You need to step on each ladder, and that is how you reach there. So yeah, definitely, why not be a content creator, anything that you want to be? Just be persistent. And I'm a big believer in hard work. I definitely believe if you're putting in the hard work, at the right places, you have your heart set, you will definitely achieve things. And that's where I personally feel maximum people fall out, give up. So that's what it
Mhm.
is. I mean, if
Mhm.
anybody else has any other
Yeah,
sort of opinion on that.
I would like to take a guess, right?
Mm.
And you can tell me if that is right in your opinion. So you have been in content creator for an year or so, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the best part about your success is that you are differentiated in the way that you carry a wealth of experience from CA.
Yes.
Definitely.
Exactly,
Yeah.
right? So if you just became a content creator as your first job, you may probably not have that edge, or you may maybe less likely to have
Missing
that edge,
out the
right?
knowledge.
The other point that I have, right, to your original question is, maybe if you compared a doctor or an engineer or a CA when these careers were as nascent as content creator right now is, it would be a fair comparison.
Hmm.
Now at some point in future, content creator may become something where there is a very sort of structured way of becoming a content
It
creator,
also becomes
because the
mainstream.
yeah,
Hmm.
and because the barriers of entry today are easier than what it could be 10 years down the line.
Right.
I think the question should be rather rephrased, or maybe the understanding should be rephrased like this: that whatever career option that you're choosing now, traditional, non-traditional, are, I personally feel, are the words that we should now get away with, given the awareness that is there. A student at this moment, at this point in time, who is deciding what career I want to choose, should deliberately research about it, read about it, take a decision, with
Mm.
if not complete understanding, but at least an understanding of where it can go, what are the hardships, what are the successes. Because see, not every content creator for that matter is making crores in a year, not
We
every
want
engineer
to.
is doing that, not every doctor is doing that.
Mm.
That's why I said you need to research, you need to sit with yourself, you need to understand where you want to go. And again, I mean, an like an editing company is also making that much, or say a graphic designer is also they, it's
They
all
are.
yeah, I mean, आपको पता होना चाहिए यार कि आप जिस फील्ड में जाना चाह रहे हो ना, उस फील्ड में क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड है, एंड आर यू विलिंग टू गिव दैट अप, right? For the fields like say being an engineer, when they are trying to crack their JE for that instance, or say for NEET, or for even CA or IAS IPS, you need to sacrifice a lot. There are a lot of hardships, so you need to be aware कि आप ये कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते. Why there is so much backlashes towards the traditional fields at the moment? Because the hardship is too much, they feel it's too much hardship. But we have gone through those hardships, for us it has been worth it. अब आपके लिए वो worth it है कि नहीं, वो आपको डिस्कवर करना पड़ेगा based upon कि what are your likings, what, where you see yourself in 5 years, 10 years, or end up you are happy doing,
Or sometimes, if you are confused, you just jump in and see how it
yeah.
is.
Correct,
That's
correct.
it.
Yeah.
You have to take that risk. Some kids, every kid, they are not sorted. They are very
I was not a
confused.
sorted kid, I didn't know
So
I
they
wanted to
don't.
Still
do a
am not a
CA.
sorted guy.
Uh,
Like, I am still discovering, and I'm sure every one of us is discovering, right?
Yeah, I
yeah.
mean, I to just did commerce. I had huge aspirations. I wanted to do so much in my life. I
Mm.
took commerce. I had 95% in my boards, okay? And I
Oh.
still didn't know how to apply to colleges.
Mm.
My parents, they both have been to, my mom is from Hansraj, and my father is also a half CA or something. mean, I fairly come from a family who could, have like helped me out or something, and they did. But when they saw that I'm confused, I think, and that is when my father told me that, go ahead for CA, like why not? And honestly, I didn't question it once. And the thing has pretty much turned out really well for me, but that might not be true for everyone else, right? So, this thing of career counseling, it has been stressed so much. I don't know why don't we practice it, right? There's so many students that I personally know who come कि we started CA but अब हो नहीं रहा है, अब ये भी नहीं पता है कि ड्रॉप कहाँ करना है और कंटिन्यू कहाँ करना है, बिकॉज आप अटक चुके हो, आप ऑलरेडी 2 से 3 साल यू हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन टू दैट कोर्स, यू हैव डिवोटेड दैट टाइम. So again, like, choose whatever career you want to choose,
And
but
stop
be,
after some time.
yeah.
Okay, I have seen people who have been trying for IS, IPS 5 years, 6 years. I tell 5 वर्षीय योजना to this IS,
Hmm.
IPS wala UPSC ka line. So why you're going for 5 वर्षीय योजना? If you're not getting in like 1, 2, 3 years, just drop it over there.
Hmm.
Why you're
Hmm.
wasting your years? You just put see ki what is your quality, what is best in you, and switch your career if you think that it is not for you. Or same goes for the need. People are dropping like 10 years तक का wait करते हैं to go. So they come in the first year and then again they fail. So what is the point in that? We should not cherish a person who is like 60, ठीक है बहुत मेहनत किया होगा, like 40 years में डॉक्टर बन के फर्स्ट ईयर में आया है. So ठीक है, some people they struggle, they want to go ahead with that, but don't push anybody कि हाँ इतना वेट करो. इतना 40 ईयर वेट करने से अच्छा है कुछ और करियर चूज करो. You go ahead with that. You can do, you might do with somebody some other field good. So उतना वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है.
There's this
This and
effect,
all.
I forgot the name of it. So the effect says कि हम लोग जितना ज्यादा किसी चीज में स्पेंड करते हैं
हाँ उतना घुस
उतना
जाते हैं.
ज्यादा उसमें और ज्यादा
एंड
स्पेंड
आई
करना चाहते
थिंक
हैं.
यहाँ पे फैमिली, पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है टू
Hmm.
टेक दैट पर्सन, टू टेक दैट किड आउट ऑफ दैट थिंग. सो अगर कोई फैमिली इज लाइक पुशिंग द चाइल्ड कि नहीं करो करो करो, द चाइल्ड विल गो अहेड कि ठीक है 1 साल और 1 साल और. बट दिस इज नॉट द राइट thing. At least stop your kid after some year, maybe 3 years, 4 years, and bring the child back, because bringing the child back again to the normal is very difficult. And see कि what was the best for, क्या क्वालिटी, हर इंसान का एक क्वालिटी होता है जो अच्छा होता है. Maybe somebody is good in speaking, somebody is good in caring, somebody is good in making something. So उसमें push करो. You know your child better. You know that, मतलब फ्रेंड्स जानते होते हैं, भाई बहन जानते होते हैं कि आपका भाई कहाँ है, आपका बहन कहाँ है. तो यू कैन पुश योर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स या फैमिली में मदर एंड फादर. दे कैन सी कि क्या क्वालिटी एक्चुअली में उसमें अच्छा है एंड किस फील्ड में हम उसको भेज सकते हैं. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली, मेरे
Hmm.
को लगता है.
फेयर. एंड आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा सोसाइटल प्रेशर भी होता है जो लोग अपने ऊपर ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेल यू द सुसाइड रेट्स इन इंडिया जस्ट ऑफ
बच्चे
स्टूडेंट्स.
लेते
हाँ,
हैं, बच्चे
एग्जैक्टली.
लेते हैं.
बच्चे लेते हैं is I think it's 8% right now, if I'm not wrong, and it is growing with a scale of I think 4 to 5% every year.
Just now
Just
somebody, I
students.
think NEET, Maharashtra topper something, NEET का UG का बच्चा, he died, he did suicide.
Hmm.
And he wrote that I don't wanted to pursue this career की वजह से. So like mother and father देख रहे होंगे, maybe some depression is not very easy to go through. कोई भी maybe jumping in into any career, MBBS हो, PG में हो, या फिर all those things makes a child very weak at sometimes. सो मतलब बहुत लोग डिप्रेशन एंड एंग्शियस फेज से जाते हैं. सो देर आर लाइक, आई थिंक पेरेंट्स का यहाँ सबसे बड़ा रोल है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड यू व्हाट योर किड इज गोइंग थ्रू. जस्ट स्टॉप द चाइल्ड इफ द चाइल्ड इज नॉट हैप्पी विद इट. यू कैन सी सब स्ट्रगल करते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. लाइक अगर नीट में जाना है, किसी को सीए में आना रहा होगा, इंजीनियरिंग में एवरीबडी स्टडीज. समटाइम्स आई हैव स्टडीड 18 hours अ डे भी. सो इट इज ओके इफ आई एम ओके विद दैट. इफ आई वाज नॉट ओके विद दैट, शायद मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी वहां रोकना चाहिए.
I feel this has suddenly become a mental health podcast with Dr. Priya. A lot of people choose foreign countries, yeah, abroad, where they want to pursue their career in your specific fields. Thinking also on the lines of कि purchasing parity है, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा खर्चे होते हैं. But why do you think India is failing in that way? कि वो retain नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अपने ही individuals को जो खुद शायद यहाँ पढ़े हैं, but maybe they are choosing to work for companies or brands or work in hospitals become a surgeon, probably in the US or UK, right? What thoughts do you have on that?
See, we have to be honest. The support for somebody doing a master's degree in engineering or a PhD in engineering in India is very low. You have a handful of colleges that are great. If you did amazing with your bachelor's entrance exams in engineering, you went to a really good college, you probably only have ISC as a great place. Maybe there are a couple more that I'm not aware of. And given our population of people that you described earlier, with that number, saying how many people come out of engineering colleges every year, we just don't have colleges. So if I wanted to do a PhD, the diff I would get by doing a PhD in India right now wouldn't be as much. So the only option I would have is to go to the best universities in the world.
Hmm.
Also, if I am very aspirational and I just want to go to one of the top five universities in the world and none of them are from India, then you just go, right? So I think we are a developing country. So there are a few things that's not there. Also, I think if you go back in history, around 90s you had this whole concept of globalization, and then everyone thought that the world is one place and people should do trade, people should move here and there, it should be easier. Now geopolitics seems to be getting into a place where people want to protect their economies, people want to be self sufficient, families want to be, countries want to be. So hopefully we'll get there. There is hopefully more investment into educating people with better universities, better support in some other ways. Then we can have more people stay here. It's also a fact that once you go to the university in the US, it's very hard to come back because you paid for the loan.
Hmm.
And if you come back to India and try to pay off that, it just doesn't make sense mathematically. Right? So I think there is something to be proud about to be in India today and do something wonderful. But we also have to be realistic about laying those foundations where people can achieve similar peaks in their careers if they were here. And that's the gap today.
Got it. Would you suggest someone जो engineering के field में है to work for a company that's abroad and not in India?
Yes, at least for a part of their career. What happens is if you work for some time with amazing people, you learn so much more and then maybe get back to doing what you wanted to do. Maybe you wanted to go back to your village and do something. I am from Bihar. I can bet that if I was there and I chose to study there and I chose to work there, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Hmm.
Right? So this is something that Bangalore has given me. And
Same
maybe
goes
today I
with
can go back.
US also. Actually, people are moving. The engineers I see moving because of the AI. So adaptation and learning and everything is very easy. And to catch people who are good with the AI is like very easy in US. So that you
Yes.
don't get in India. So many things like 6 months, 1 year, they are trying to go abroad and just see how the people are working, the work culture, and to the AI and all those things
Layman
they
terms में
want to.
exposure ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे.
ज़्यादा है, हाँ.
Correct.
And in doctors, I see very less. If you see, the percentage is very less moving
Okay.
out. So they are moving out mostly because of the lifestyle, I think. India में doctors का lifestyle is one thing which is
Not that
cut,
great.
cut, cut, not. If you see in the corporate hospital, they are working day
I
in, day out. Okay.
Hmm.
And night plus. मतलब दिन भर भी आप काम कर रहे हो, रात में भी आप ही की इमरजेंसी लग रही है, आप ही जा रहे हो उठ करके 2 बजे 4 बजे, मल्टीपल टाइम्स आई हैव गॉन. So day में you have to be active. It's reporting is not easy. CTMR रिपोर्ट करो, you have to be mentally very strong, like कि
Right.
करना है, कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए किसी भी
Right.
पेशेंट के किसी भी चीज में.
Right.
And then again at night you have to go. Being a radiologist, I'm telling you, night you have to go again. एक एक
yes.
हफ्ते का महीने में it's like posting is there. So you have to do that night on call. It's true that doctors are less who will do this. But again, it's like doing day also and doing night also, it takes a mental toll. So it's not easy. Mentally it's not easy. You have to go at night, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, phone is by the side, phone is ringing, you have to pick up the phone. If you It's not a possibility that I'll not pick up the phone, so you have to do that. So once a doctor, she hasn't picked up a phone, the ambulance went to the home and ting 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 ting. So that has also happened. So those whole things happens is not very easy. So for that lifestyle, actually, they move outside. Money is good as compared to India. So if you are going to three tier cities, only then you will earn too much in initial stage. If you are outside, you have to like hustle a lot. Then moving abroad gives a good lifestyle, good money flow. So those all things are there. So why not? But there are very less people who move outside because it's like you have to again give exams and all those things are there. You're already giving exams throughout your life. So there are like India needs to work on that.
India is also a place where there's a lot of wealth with people. Do you also see a lot of CAs shifting abroad and working for folks or even companies?
So with CA, it's a very different line of path. I think it's more similar to the doctor's field because uh, if you have done CA in India, that's not an enough qualification for you to, go abroad and practice. You have to do an additional degree. You have to give some additional papers.
Mm.
Like you have to, if you want to be an ACCA, there is certain set of additional papers you'll have to give, or CPA for US or any other country, then you'll have to give some additional papers. What I've seen is there are multiple categories of CAs who choose to probably move abroad. Ones who are pursuing an MBA abroad, so that's a clear option for them to settle abroad because it's a much clearer career path, that since you've studied there, you have to pay off your loans and everything, so you get paid better there. So there is one thing. And then there are other set of CAs, I think they move abroad more for a better quality of life.
Mm.
But this is not a very how do I say it, a very common thing. I mean, at least if I know like 10 of my friends who are CAs, out of that only I know one or two who have decided to move abroad. And of them also, one is who is actually pursuing MBA abroad, right? And one person that I know may has moved for quality of life. So like I
Hmm.
said, it's not a very common choice among CAs that I see, because again, see, the job of a chartered accountant is more uh, for instance, in India, like you need to know the Indian laws, you need to understand the Indian legal structure and everything. And similarly, when you move abroad, you need to understand their legal structure, their taxation structure and everything. And there is a lot more studying that you also have to do. So I've not seen this happening a lot for the CAs, at least the ones that are around me.
The other point of reference that you have to see, I think, is that CA, like you rightly said, is a lot about the local laws of the land and what's
Yeah.
doable and
Mm.
whatnot, right? For a doctor, also it's about a degree or something you're doing in the front line. Engineering is actually something at the back. You're grinding it out, you're trying to make a product. It doesn't matter where you're sitting when you're
Yeah,
doing
you
that.
can be like an
Mm.
engineer anywhere. I remember my parents also telling, we used to have these career conversations and it's a very prominent belief that if you are an engineer, you can become anything. Because once, even if you have taken science in like your 12th and you have even studied engineer, then still there are varied career options that are open for you. You can still, I'm not saying that that's not available after being a doctor or a CA, but you can be an engineer anywhere,
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
anywhere, right? And even if
Post COVID, so it's like
yeah,
it's
yeah.
and it's
okay
like
to
I
be
feel
Indian
yeah,
anywhere.
I think they have a curriculum that's valid everywhere. Of course, that's also true for being a doctor. Like it's the same body they are treating, but then again, there are, I think, different regulations for which they conduct different exams, etc. There are certain compliances, etc. But for an engineer, I feel it's a one book. There's only one rule. You have to
I
be an
agree.
engineer, and that you can do from anywhere.
Hmm.
Like so many people in India who are working remotely for a, say, a US based company, they're earning in dollars.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, even that happens that people are earning in dollars and spending in rupees.
yeah, that's also
Hmm.
Hmm.
for a CA. Like I said, for instance, if some a CA wants to do the same thing, we first have to do that additional examination. Then
Hmm.
only we are qualified to even take up that additional work remotely, or shift outside. So I think engineers in a way have it even up. I saying that they have it easy, it's not the right thing, but they have more opportunities in those
Hmm.
terms. That's absolutely
Agree.
You
true.
can jump into any field.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
and
Yes.
you uh,
Uh,
and you can work from anywhere. I am so jealous about that.
Yeah.
I think the entry barrier is comparatively
Yeah.
simpler when it comes to engineers, given the fact कि एक जगह से बहुत सारा काम कर
Yes,
सकते हैं. Fair.
absolutely.
Now, this is a very controversial question that I want to ask, Priya. Is over a span of the last 5 6 years, a lot of doctors are being sort of charged of corruption, right? In a way that they are looked up as sort of people who are also in the police. That corruption have seeped in that sector as well. They are just ready to charge more at all times. How do you
हाँ.
think it's right or wrong, and what perspective do you have
Is
on
it
that?
about doctors or the corporate companies, which is run by the corporate
Hmm.
people and engineers and big people sitting at the top?
Right.
You just
Right.
discuss about that.
Right.
First, you have to see which is the hospital which is run by the doctors.
Hmm.
Then you come to the conclusions that doctors are corrupt.
But do you think, as a byproduct, because
Mm-hmm.
they have to work for certain corporate companies as well,
Hmm.
it also comes down to their level at times?
No, doctor का fees fixed है. How it can be
Hmm.
like what you can do about it.
Hmm.
They give free consultation. I see doctors, you see any doctor, okay, you text them at night also, they will be available, they will
Hmm.
reply to you. It's about 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. I get many, like I'm a radiologist, so this field is totally different. It's like engineering field, it's not like a medicine or kind of other fields where medicines are prescribed. But मेरे पास हर दिन एक दो पेशेंट्स का किसी ना किसी का रिलेटिव का कोई ना कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन होता है, आज भी है. Okay, and that I have to see and I have to tell them. So it's a free consultation which we are giving. Any doctor you see, no, they are giving it for free. So they are not charging. How it is like corruption?
Hmm.
So if somebody is telling you, it might be charged like ठीक है, blood में if I come to blood, okay, patho, it's run by how many blood companies are run by the doctor. You just Google it and see it. कि कौन सा कंपनी है, मेट्रोपोलिस उठा लो, ल्यूपिन उठा लो, उसमें कौन सा डॉक्टर इज एट द हेड. Okay, so they have defined a charge. Maybe
Hmm.
koi blood test ka daam is like maybe 20 rupees. They are charging at 180 or 200 rupees. So it's just the product which they are selling it. So वो डॉक्टर ने नहीं डिफाइन किया है, वो किसी हॉस्पिटल ने डिफाइन किया है.
Hmm.
अब मैं उसी प्रोडक्ट को अगर 50 रुपीज पे भी कर दूं तो पीपल माइट हैव दैट थॉट कि ये बंदा सही भी कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. सो वहां पे डॉक्टर कहाँ रॉन्ग है.
If you think of a corporate chain of hospital,
हाँ.
that's true. But if you have a clinic, for instance, right,
हम्म.
then is it true, or do you, as doctor,
क्लिनिक
have
पे भी
more
कैसे
control?
है, आप ये
No?
बताओ कि
Okay.
अगर जो चार्ज है, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं,
Hmm.
उसमें अगर कोई चार्ज नहीं लेगा, अगर कोई हॉस्पिटल ले रहा है चार्ज, तो क्लिनिक पे कैसे कोई नहीं लेगा.
Correct.
इवन इफ यू गो टू अ हॉस्पिटल, द चार्ज ऑफ अ डॉक्टर विल बी 1200 रुपीज.
Hmm.
इफ यू गो टू देयर क्लिनिक इन प्राइवेट इट विल बी 700 और 800, उससे ज्यादा नहीं रखते हैं.
Agree.
है ना.
Agree.
सेम गोज विद द रेडियोलॉजी. यू गो टू एनी बिगर सेंटर्स, दे विल चार्ज यू 3000 रुपीज फॉर अल्ट्रासाउंड. You come to any clinic is
Hmm.
1800, 1200, 1500. So it's just 50% का ड्रॉप होता है. तो हाउ डॉक्टर्स आर करप्ट.
Hmm.
ओके,
Hmm.
दे माइट, सम पीपल माइट थिंक दैट किसी का ट्रीटमेंट किसी के थ्रू ऐसा हो जाता है कि इट माइट नॉट हिट एंड इट माइट हिट विद सम अदर डॉक्टर. सो वो नॉलेज का बात होता है. इट माइट बी, नॉलेज माइट बी वेरिएबल, योर हैंड माइट बी वेरिएबल. ओके, एंड मतलब कैसा किया है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस. सर्जरी हो सकता है किसी से थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो कि कुछ कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन पोस्ट हो जाए, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस से भी हो सकता है, नॉन एक्सपीरियंस से भी हो सकता है. इट्स ऑल
Hmm.
अबाउट योर जर्नी. बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स में दे डोंट गिव जूनियर्स द अथॉरिटी टू ऑपरेट इट. सीनियर्स मोस्टली वहीं पे रहते हैं. मे इट बी 45-50 ईयर्स के सीनियर्स, दे आर डूइंग द ऑपरेशन. जूनियर्स आर अलाउड टू जस्ट स्टैंड एंड सी इट. सो उतना ही कर पाते हैं. तो दैट इज लाइक बहुत करप्शन कहाँ आता है. कुछ अगर एग्जांपल दे तो मैं, कुछ करप्ट को तो नहीं रोक सकते हैं, वो तो होने ही है. इफ यू गो टू 3 tier cities, some person who is not even doctor, they are sitting over there.
Hmm.
Okay, so they are doing all the allopath. Allopath is mixed with ayurveda, ayurveda mixed with homeopath. So why they are mixing it? Be separate entities and you can be best in different entities. आयुर्वेद का अपना मजा है. It has its own benefit. होम्योपैथ का अपना है. Why you guys are mixing with the allopath? Allopath mixing with them. So it should not go like this. And corruption, okay, कहीं कहीं अब जैसे अभी मैं बताती हूँ, एक कंपनी की दवाई से कफ सिरप से बच्चा मरा है इन मध्य प्रदेश और समथिंग, एंड उस पे डॉक्टर को सस्पेंड कर दिया गया. वाई? डॉक्टर ने लिखा है बस. ओके, कॉफ सिरप लिखना इज नॉट लाइक समथिंग विच इज रॉन्ग.
बना तो कोई और कंपनी
बना
रही
तो
है.
कोई कंपनी रही है
Hmm.
ना, सू देम.
Okay, I'll tone down the conversation a little bit. बहुत serious हो गया माहौल. Um, there's this book जो मैंने recently पढ़ा है called Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. उसमें there's this line that said कि the highest form of wealth is when you can wake up and say कि आज मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. I can do whatever I want. Do you feel where you are right now in your specific careers, क्या आप किसी दिन randomly उठ के बोल सकते हो कि यार मुझे ना एक हॉलिडे चाहिए, मैं जा रहा हूँ घूमने या जा रही हूँ घूमने? Can you do that right now?
Yeah, I can. And I have done that also. I mean, I also remember waking up. Aaj to I can't work anymore. I remember that it was like 2 years ago, right after COVID. I was like, okay, I can't work today. And there's something that happened in like the job arena or something. I actually had resigned from somewhere or something. So I was like, I can't do it anymore. The same day I had booked a trip to Goa. And the best thing about Bangalore is it's an overnight trip, right?
Hmm.
You just book a bus and you are in the morning in Goa. And I've done that. I was for 4 days in Goa. And I can do it right now also. I can plan like one vacation, two vacation or whatsoever. Right now also matlab I can plan and I have that much freedom. And I think that comes from the hard work that I have put in the past. That's also true.
Fair, fair. Shiv?
Most engineers, I think, are not dealing with the consumers of their products themselves.
Hmm.
So it's really easy for the engineer to log out and go wherever they want and come back. So by the profession itself, I think it's easier for engineers to take a break and go wherever.
See, like you said, na, you read this quote, and I also believe in it. That see, if anybody asks me today how rich you want to be, my simple answer is I want to be as rich that today, right now, if I want something in my life, I'm able to have it. I am not a person who wants a Mercedes, like for instance, like at this moment or something. It's just that whatever I feel like, probably if I feel like having certain type of food, certain type of clothing, or like have a vacation that makes me feel good, not putting a brand to it or something to it, I am very satisfied where I am. I can afford what I want to afford right now. So there is not per se a restriction on that. For instance, like I was having this discussion with a friend. I can upgrade my phone any day, right? iPhone 17 launched or any other product that gets launched. We were just talking about, it's not like I cannot buy iPhone 17 at this moment right now. It's more like, do I need it? There are more subjective questions behind it, right? More than financial, that do I really need it? Does this particular phone for me right now makes any sense, you know? So
Hmm.
yeah, I totally agree. I really feel everybody should have this sense, that I want to be rich till the day I can afford anything that I want to. Otherwise, there's no amount of money that can make
There's no
you,
limit.
yeah, that can make you satisfied.
Right. I think that highest form of wealth is actually freedom and yeah, basically the things that
That
you
is
want that you can get.
exactly, that is the freedom. You can go to any restaurant you want to eat. See, that accessibility is there. That is the enough sense. I mean, I can give whatever I want to my parents or whatever they have dreamt of in their lives. I think for me at least, that is the biggest financial freedom, and that's how I define it.
Me being a radiologist, I have that side कि मैंने बहुत बार resign किया है to go somewhere. मेरे को नहीं करना काम तो नहीं करना है. 2-3 months I have taken off. कि I have to play with my dog. He was very young, so I was like, okay, I want this 2 months with him. So I have quit over there, or I have taken leave also for 15 days. I have to go somewhere like Goa mostly. So I have taken leave for 15 days. It's okay.
But with doctors, is it not the
Being a
case that
radiologist, है ना,
okay.
रेडियोलॉजिस्ट में हमारे पास उतना रहता है कि वी आर नॉट डीलिंग विद द पेशेंट्स डायरेक्टली, है
Hmm.
ना, बट अदर डॉक्टर्स दे हैव द प्रॉब्लम
Hmm.
बिकॉज दे बीइंग ऑन लीव हु विल रिप्लेस देम.
एक सेंस ऑफ
एंड
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
हाँ
रहती
हाँ
है.
बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है.
Hmm.
एंड बीइंग अ डॉक्टर लाइक कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट है, गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है, पीपल आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम. उनका डिलीवरी होना है, किसी का कार्डियक सर्जरी होना है, दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द डॉक्टर्स. किसी का कोई और सर्जरी होना है, दे आर ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम. सो दे बीइंग एब्सेंट फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. सो वो किसी भी आप सीनियर को भी दे दो, जूनियर को, किसी को भी ये काम दे दो, पेशेंट विल बिकम कॉन्शियस कि अगर वो डॉक्टर नहीं है तो हमें कौन देखेगा. सो इट्स लाइक फॉर अदर्स इट्स लाइक अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग कि मैं आज चाहूँ तो आज उठ के नहीं जा सकती. आई हैव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
एक कोई बच्चा है is wanting to become a CA, doctor or engineer. In the next 5 years, if he or she meticulously works a lot, works very hard towards whatever examinations or processes that follow in your respective fields, how much can he or she earn in today's day and age? It's 2025 right now. Let's take an span of 5 years. 2030 mein, how much he or she can earn?
So CA degree in itself takes like 5 years to complete.
Okay.
If you are like clearing everything on the first attempt,
Hmm.
so it takes 5 years, but you can expect a salary package of there's a very big band actually. You can expect from something starting to 4 lakh to 12 lakh
Okay.
now, and it can be actually even more, like I said. So for instance, if you start working at a comparatively smaller firm in size, okay, in terms of size, then you can expect a salary package of somewhere from 4 to 6 lakhs, right? And if you start with bigger consultancy firms like KPMG, Deloitte, or the big fours, right, you can expect somewhere like 10 to 12 lakhs. That's also possible. But also there is one more thing. If you go to industry level, there are packages like 50 LPA, 25 LPA. Those bigger packages are also there. So it completely depends upon the route you choose. And
Hmm.
also if you choose to start your own practice, then again the amount of, the clients you can get, the business you can get. So in 5 years, like I said, as a CA, you are financially independent right after you clear your examination.
Same goes with the doctor. We are financially independent after clearance, internship after the internship is over.
Mm-hmm.
So, but again, PG comes. There we have to study again. We are dependent on somebody. So that is there. The PG का time 2 years, 3 years, or maybe किसी का double degree होता है. So all those things are there. So 3 years if we are taking it minimum. So whole is like 8 years, 5.5, and this 3 years,
Hmm.
8.5 years.
Hmm.
So you have to be dependent on somebody.
Okay.
Okay, after that, after once you come out, you are earning somewhere like starting from 1,80,000 minimum. I'm telling 80,000 to 1 lakh per month.
Per
That is
month.
हाँ, per month.
Got it.
So that is a
Somewhere around
minimum.
12 LPA.
Huh, yes.
Hmm.
So even if MBBS you are and you are working in a remote area, then I expected you can earn even 2 3 lakhs. It depends. It's very variable field. It's
Hmm.
very variable field. Medical field is totally variable depending on the place where you are. Two-tier city, three-tier city in this like metro cities and all. It's totally variable. The money amount of the earning and the degree. Even the MBBS doctor can earn more than a super specialization degree. So it's all totally like you can't expect. Even the government hospitals, few of the doctors I know under like some of the government thing, they're earning like 3 4, and even super specialization they are not earning in the first year. So it's a very variable thing.
Got it.
But definitely they will stop. There will be some plateau after some year for them. But super specialized person, they will grow. They'll grow like a super speed rate. So for them, there is like nothing. After 40, 50, 40 years, so it's like money is all for them. So it's finally, I think medical profession is not all about money. It's all about like you have to go through a long path that makes you humble, I think.
Hmm.
That makes you humble and grounded. So you don't have anything. You see any doctor when you go to their home, don't like compare the clinic or maybe in the hospitals, because they have to portray something that they are serious over there. So they can't do like some fun jokes with anybody. So it's very like some people they might like it and some might not like it. Even for the health, you suggest somebody like they are fat. So I have seen people crying over that. Ki why you suggested that person there, like they have to lose weight, not even fat, lose weight. So there is a lot of thing which you can't do in a hospital. With aging, you know that it's not right. So you have to be quiet at certain point. Only you have to discuss with the what is the problem, and then you have to just be empathetic towards them and write whatever is needed actually. So sometimes talking beyond certain limit is also very harmful in the hospitals or with the patients is very harmful. So that goes like वो रहता है एक हमेशा.
How does that pan out in engineering, though?
The peak for an engineer is very, very high.
Okay.
Let
Hmm.
me take an example to prove something like that. Which is the most used app for you? Like, do you use Instagram a lot? Do you use YouTube a lot?
Regularly.
Both of Meta and Google were made by engineers who were in their universities.
Hmm.
Oh.
So, also, if you look at computer science or software, for example, you absolutely don't need a degree. I know people who didn't have a degree and who did amazing in their careers being very young. Of course, what is the probability that you will hit that peak? Very, very low. Also, if you now start any company, you don't need a degree being an engineer, because it can be deployed across geographies. Software has no boundaries. Now, if you say I am talking about an 18-year-old who wants to get to a corporate and work really hard there, they could reach around 60, 70 LPA. Again, for a corporate, if you track news around technology, right now the AI scene is playing in a way where the engineers who really know AI are hot property, and the supply demand is completely screwed up. Mark Zuckerberg is ready to pay millions to good engineers who understand AI.
Hmm.
So if you really are an engineer who knows what's going to pick up, what's really hot, and you dig deep, go to a mountain, sit there, really, really know, dig deep, and become that one person who knows better than most people. It's also easy because there is so much information about being an engineer, what to study, how to learn it on social media today, that you can compete sitting anywhere with anyone in the world. So I think it's an amazing time to be an engineer. And if you are a hardworking guy, you can really go very, very far. But if you're not working hard, don't aspire to get there.
Hardly working.
So you can really do anything you want. You can't complain about it needs a degree. I have this limitation. There's no limitation. It's all in your
Hmm.
mind. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, but still at the same time give me an average figure कि कोई एक बच्चा 5 साल अगर बहुत मेहनत करता है इस
Hmm.
फील्ड में, how much can he or she earn? An average figure, not the
अगर
top
बच
2% or
करेक्ट
3%.
अगर बच्चा अच्छे कॉलेज से है,
Hmm.
राइट,
Define अच्छे college.
लेट्स से टॉप 20 in India,
Hmm.
and goes to a decent corporate, works hard there, not the brightest person in this place, maybe 90%, better than 90%,
Okay,
they could climb to around 60, 80 lakhs per annum.
got it. Okay, ठीक, perfect. There was one point that Priya was saying where there are different sectors in each field जहाँ पे
Yes.
कि बहुत ज़्यादा पे किया जाता है, right?
Later on, not early.
हाँ,
Early
not
less.
early,
हाँ.
ठीक है. Uh, but of course you start working towards that in your early years and eventually reach there. For example, doctors
Everybody
में
is not reaching over there.
okay,
Okay, so there are very less number which is who is reaching actually at that point.
fair. For example,
And
जैसे engineering में there's
हाँ
AI
हाँ
right
हाँ
now,
हाँ
right? Maybe cosmetics is something or IVF is something जो
हाँ
doctors के लिए हो सकता है.
yeah.
What is that one field do you think engineering का we know because this is a very hot topic right now in doctors and people who are in CA उनके लिए वो hotspot क्या है of money where they can ideally अपनी trajectory उस तरफ define कर सकते हैं या directionally बढ़ सकते हैं.
See, when it comes to CA, there
हम्म,
is no one place there is a lot of money.
हम्म,
The idea is when you start pursuing a course like, say, CA, first you study everything. Then the money is where when you pick up a specific niche.
हम्म,
You are specialized in your field. Now you can go towards M&A, you can go towards like individual taxation, you can go towards auditing, management consulting, anywhere. It's just that you need to ultimately pick a niche.
हम्म,
Okay, even when I talk about management consulting, it's such a big field. You need to pick up who do you want to provide your consultancy to. Do you want to specialize in healthcare, technology, or any other space? So when it comes to CA, that increase will depend upon how good your skills are and how niche advisory are you providing, right? You are specialized in what? If you have answer to that, then there is no limits to how much money you can really make.
got it. Is it very similar to people who are pursuing doctorate?
Yes, it depends on you want to earn like early age में या late age में first,
Define
है
both.
ना? तो अर्ली एज में अगर अर्न करना है, सो इट्स रेडियोलॉजी,
Mm-hmm.
it's DMAT. Okay, this people they earn a lot in early age.
Mm.
Like just आपके निकलने के बाद and you do interventions. So those people they earn little higher. So as compared to other branches, if you go, they are very less. So like I can say 2-3 times less.
Mm.
Okay, in the early stage. Again coming to later stage, in सारे का plateau आ जाता है and they start growing after 40-45. So you
जैसे कि
want
वो
to
कौन
earn
से,
for your
हाँ वो
kids
कौन से
or you
फील्ड्स,
want to earn for yourself. It
वो कौन
depends
से
on
फील्ड्स
that.
हो जाएंगे जो बाद में पीपल अर्न मोर?
They all the fields,
ऑल द अदर
all the
फील्ड्स.
other fields. So you choose any surgical branch, it grows. With time, you will earn the experience and learn many a things, and then you can implement, and then you will earn much more. Like goes for gynae, goes for orthopedics, medicine. With time, you learn a lot. सो उसके साथ 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 आपके सैलरीज आपके जितना ज़्यादा आपका नॉलेज है, जितने अच्छे कॉलेज से हो, अगेन द हॉस्पिटल हायर यू एट अ हायर रेट rather than, and वो सब करते with experience, how good is your hand with those things, so there is like lots of things. So
Got it.
by this way you go up and up with the salaries.
Okay.
Can I add something about engineering that you said?
Mhm.
So if you're looking for the peak,
Hmm.
AI is not the hotspot for you.
Okay.
The reason being, let's take a parallel example from content creation. Do you agree that people who started content creation some 3 to 5 years ago, they could reach a certain level? Now it's probably a bit harder, or or no?
It is. It is.
It is,
Definitely
right?
is. Hmm.
Similarly, if you want to be the next Zuckerberg
Hmm.
or next Sam Altman, then the AI wave is already taken.
Hmm.
If you want to go to a corporate and make a lot of money there in that route, then AI is a good one, right? If you look at who's making the most amount of money probably today from AI, Sam Altman, the guy who owns the, who is the founder of the company that makes ChatGPT. What was he doing when the whole world was going crazy about bitcoins, blockchains, and all of that? He was making AI.
Hmm.
So you should be making something else today, which will blow up tomorrow. And when it is applied to all of these different sectors, you get a pie everywhere. That's when you reach the peak, right?
Got it.
So the hot technology today
Is the
will,
technology that is about to come?
yes,
Hmm.
right? But if you are looking for a job or you want to just study something where there is a very high possibility of getting a job, you want that question, then of course AI is the way.
Before we end this podcast, there's this one final tip I would require from all of you in your respective fields. एक यंगस्टर को आप क्या एक फाइनल टिप देना चाहोगे फॉर हिम और हर टू अंडरस्टैंड विच करियर टू चूज एंड व्हाई टू चूज इट? वन फाइनल टिप फ्रॉम योर एंड. विल स्टार्ट विद प्रिया.
For the medical profession I'll say कि एक मतलब different things are there. 16-17 year old को इतना समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्या करना है. They only look up to the doctors कि कोई है doctor and they get inspired कि okay that person is like so much respected in the society, and then they start कि नहीं हमें यही बनना है, doctor बनना है, because I see my niece and all they are like okay हमें doctor बनना है, and she keeps on going to the school and telling my UA is doctor. Okay, so it's like respect which is like there. So for them, I'll tell कि it's not a very easy journey. पूरा medical field में भी MBBS करना होता है, उसके बाद PG करना होता है. PG is one of the time where I have seen many of them breaking down. Even I have ran twice. You know, I don't want to do PG. So that time you have to like 6 days at one stretch I have worked. So it's not easy, no sleep, nothing. So and you have to learn so many things over there. So वो time भी आपको देखना है. So you don't have to like उस time पे भी बहुत सारे drops आएंगे. So looking at the journey, you have to just understand that's not about the money in the medical field, because money is something which is not for the medical field. You have to just go, and if you are dedicated towards punctual, you are disciplined, and you know कि you can be consistent throughout the journey. So then because we don't have the option to change the field, it's very tough. If you ask me today to change my field, it's very tough to become anything. It's very tough. I have to think twice. I don't know much of the things throughout the medical journey. We are not taught how to do the computer things, so we are very basic things also we are lacking. So we don't know much about those things. We are not very street smart person. So maybe any doctor nowadays they are getting, they are there, content creators are there in MBBS ones, but earlier there was no this thing, and most of them are, they are not there. So you choose the journey for your respect. If you want to know कि हाँ ये चीज है मेरे लिए है, एंड आई वांट टू, आई विल बी सेटिस्फाइड कि मेरे पास अगर कोई बोलता है, हंस देता है, खुश रहता है, और समटाइम्स वी वांट टू सर्व आवर फैमिली. So every family should have one doctor. Okay, so if there is no doctor in your family, have it. Go for it. Because वो बहुत जरूरी है. तो next generation को I can say कि okay, it's fine. You don't become doctor, it's fine. Because I am there to see you. I am there to see my parents. I am there to see my friends. So every family should have one doctor. That's it. If it's not there, go for it. Just struggle is real, but it's okay. You can go through that. Just you have to be punctual, disciplined, and if you are there, you are not very hyper person, you can go through that. And this is a very good field. You are respected throughout. Even after the internship also you are respected. Once the degree of the doctor comes in, there's lots of respect I see in the person's eye. So you go and tell anybody you are doctor, they will look at you with so much of respect, irrespective of किस स्टेट से हैं आप, कहाँ से हैं आप, इट डजेंट मैटर, यू आर गर्ल, यू आर बॉय. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड याना माई क्लिनिक. सो याना है, उसके वजह से मैं जहाँ जहाँ भी गई हूँ, जिस जिस से भी मिली हूँ, मे बी हमारा लैंग्वेज वॉज, the other person was not knowing anything except Kannadiga. He was pure that one. So, but the conversation which I had, the respect I saw in their eyes, it was totally different, and it was very good to see those people. So that is there. If you want that, go for it. And every family should have one doctor. So if not, you go ahead with that. So you will find your way.
So for me, first of all, to anybody who's starting and choosing their career, first advice is research. You know, learn more about different fields. Don't think that you are, if you have taken commerce, then CA is the only option. Or probably even if you have studied science or biology, then it's not a specified field कि आप biology if you have taken आपको doctor ही बनना है. And there are other non-traditional fields also. So first advice would be explore what you want to do, right? Where you see yourself, what are your skills? That's the first thing. Second, very important thing is don't run after the money factor. Okay. Now, why I'm saying this, that even when you start doing, for example, a course like CA, yes, you make money, right? There is a trajectory. There is no limit on how much money you can make. People do CA thinking that I will mint a lot of money. Okay, you will definitely, but there is a lot of persistence and hard work that comes along, with this particular course that you need to put in. There are a lot of sacrifices that you have to do. You need to decide, are you ready for that? Like, I'll give you a small example. When I was pursuing CA, during my exams of that 5 6 months, I have not used a single social media app. I didn't know which phone, matlab, who is calling me, who is not. I was not on WhatsApp, nothing. You will not believe, after 6 months, I was not even in a habit of clicking a picture of mine. It used to make me so uncomfortable clicking a picture of mine, right? So there are a lot of sacrifices, a lot of hard work that is involved, right? So don't choose something because a lot of money is involved there. Like, so many people, even after doing CA, if they want to choose a field, where do I want to go, they want to choose investment banking, valuation. Why? Because there is a lot of money. But what they do not see is, the are you ready for that work life balance which does not exist there? For instance, might not be true for everyone, but that's the ground reality. Are you ready to sacrifice that? uh, and also, not every investment banker or a valuation expert is making a lot of money. So just don't run after the stereotypes of the particular field. Money will follow you. If you, again, if you're good at something, you're putting your heart at it, you know niche down into something that you want to do in your life. So that will be my single most advice to everyone, that whatever decision that you are making, yes, money is important, but money is not the sole factor to keep you satisfied. There are other things also. And whatever you hear is, it might be true only for the 70% or the 60% of the people who are pursuing it, and might not be true for other people. right? So not everybody is making the same amount of money. So any career you choose, be it CA or say a doctor or an engineer, that's, I think that's an advice that I really want students to learn. Please don't run after what everybody is saying. Figure it out, try and learn more. If your friend is doing CA, does not mean ki you also have to do CA. There's one very important thing that students really forget when it comes to professional examinations. So see, what happens is ना, when you're in school, आप यू आर इन क्लास वन, तो आपका फ्रेंड भी क्लास वन में, आप क्लास टू में जाते हो ना, तो आपका फ्रेंड भी आपके साथ क्लास टू में जाता है. लेकिन प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज में ना, everything keeps left behind. So many of my friends, the ones that I had in CPT, were not there with me when I was there in intermediate. I had to make new ones. Then I proceeded into articleship. My friends were not the same. Everybody has a different career journey. Somebody was a reattempt. For them also, their life changed, right? So that's the whole idea. Be ready, be aware of what you are signing up for. I'm not trying to scare you, but it's just that this is your career choice. Be very self-aware of why you are choosing something. It does not mean that you have to be 100% sorted right now, but at least at the end of the day, you will know this was my decision, this was my choice. At least that's what I live by with anything that I do. That when at night I'm sleeping, I know this is something I chose for myself.
बट कुछ तो करो, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कुछ करो, देख के ही करो बट कुछ करो.
Yeah.
But moving ahead with Shiv,
Yes. Okay.
one final tip, sir.
Whether you are an 18-year-old student or you are into some other career, a doctor, a CA, a lawyer, or whatever, 35, 45, I don't think it really matters that much. It's as easy as don't seek too much advice. If you are on your laptop watching this podcast, close this tab, open a new tab, write code. Just write code. Make an account on an online coding platform, write code. Solve every damn problem there. If you don't know how to solve it, go search on the web, you will find solutions. Close that, write it yourself. Whether you are a beach person or a mountain person, go there, right? Sneak out, don't talk to anyone, sit there. It's just a bit harder to start, then it's so addictive. You will absolutely love it. Just keep doing it. It's all meritocracy. You can go to any part of the world and do this, and you can make any amount of money that you want to do. You can create any impact in any field you want to. It's as easy as that. I think the biggest challenge today is the clutter online about advice. I have had places where I seeked advice. I saw something online and I thought, oh wow, this is wonderful advice. And I followed it. And at one point, I got cluttered about something. So I found a founder. He's done two companies, he's sold two companies. And I asked him, hey, I wanted to start something. And I saw this advice that you gave, and I'm not able to make up my mind. This is my complete situation. Do you think this would be the advice that I should take? And he said, no, don't. Right? So close the tab, go code if you want to be an engineer, software engineer in particular. It's as easy as that.
We all are on consensus.
Yay, Talia.
If I could, I guess, wrap this up. Priya said something about consistency and hard work. Meenal was on the lines of sacrifice and inspiration, and Shiv was on the lines of consistency and hard work. With that said, there's this another quote that I would just want to end this with: "Is nothing is as right or as wrong as it seems." With
Absolutely.
that said, thank you so much, Meenal, Priya, and Shiv
Thank
for
you.
Thank
coming on the
you.
podcast. It was great, really inspiring, and a lot insightful.